Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about the active ingredient. It has lot of research behind this. Let's get started. So what is glycyrrhizin? Glycyrrhizin is a saponin-like compound. Glycyrrhizin is extracted from licorice root. It is potent immunomodulator, antioxidant, potent anti-inflammatory, hepato and neuroprotective agent. Glycyrrhizin modulates certain enzymes involved in inflammation and oxidative stress and downregulates certain pro-inflammatory mediators, thereby protecting against inflammation and reactive oxidant species. Induced damage. Glycyrrhizin may also suppress the growth of tumor cells. Highlights of glycyrrhizin. Glycyrrhizin and licorice extract is frequently used in many preparations. It is used in treatment as well as prevention for severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2. Significant data is showing that glycyrrhizin and licorice extract have multiple beneficial activities in combating most of features of COVID-19. Glycyrrhizin bind to viral fusion proteins, simply MPRO, thereby disrupting viral entry to host cell. So disrupting viral entry to host cell. Besides, increases the expressions ACU2, angiotensin converting enzyme 2. They have also antibacterial, strong immunomodulator, potent anti-inflammatory properties. They protect lung and cardiovascular systems against viral inflammation induced injury. Now I will show the research studies behind this. These are the research studies. You can see it is very helpful in COVID-19 and prevention. It is used as prevention as well as treatment for SARS-CoV-2, severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2 disease. So conclusion. The current studies shows several evidence regarding the beneficial effect of glycyrrhizin and licorice extract in combating in COVID-19. It is preventive as well as treatment. Glycyrrhizin, the primary active ingredient in licorice extract, potently blocks SARS-CoV-2, that is COVID-19 virus, replication by inhibiting the viral main protease, that is MPRO. So it blocks the viral entry, it blocks the viral replication. Research shows that glycyrrhizin is a potential antiviral compound. So licorice extract is a potential antiviral compound. We can take licorice extract as a oral supplement, drops, solutions. We can take licorice extract as a tea, oral supplements, powders and drops. Do not take more than 100 grams per day. Anything in excess is very bad to health. The acceptable daily intake of licorice extract is 0.2 per kg per day. This is the main. So take it within cautiously. Licorice extract is a antiviral compound. It is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and preventive as well as treatment for COVID-19. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.